Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm a tasty producer, and today we are making pumpkin spice cookie sandwiches inspired by the LG Tasty Cookie Kit, just in time for the holidays. I am not an experienced baker. I am an amateur, if you will. When it comes to baking, I mainly use pre-mixed brownie boxes and cookie boxes. And so today, for this video, I'm trying something a little bit different. I'm going to try and make these cookies from scratch. So thanks to the LG Tasty Cookie Kit, the audience should be able to make these cookies a lot quicker than I am able to today. I hosted one Thanksgiving. Besides that, I'm usually meeting up with family or doing a Friendsgiving, and it isn't until just recently that I've been bringing something to contribute to the meal. Before, I was just some punk kid and just ate whatever was there. But now I have these pumpkin spice cookie sandwiches, and I'm really excited to contribute them to the next Thanksgiving get-together. I think baking and cooking is the most stressful part of the holidays, but I'm definitely feeling less stressed this year because of the LG oven. I have baked in a few different ovens before, and I've had varying degrees of success. Some of them have burned, some of them just were mush and didn't bake all the way through, and so it's really nice to have this oven because it's so consistent. One Thanksgiving, we had a good deal of pumpkin pies, and there was one left over, one full pie, and the next morning, I just ate that entire pie for breakfast, so that sort of speaks to my love for pumpkin. I really love pumpkin. I don't know what it is. My sister introduced me to pumpkin spice back in my high school days. She was getting a lot of coffees and getting a lot of pumpkin spice lattes, and for a while, I was that basic boy who just kept on getting pumpkin spice lattes. I still am.
That is so good.